Good morning. This is our breakfast here in exhibit. That's our CEO and also our manager. Had also Mudir. Mashallah.
مدير كبير.
Sky's the limit for Edge Row. Yung mga kapitbahay namin nabot, wala pa sila yung coffee shop dyan. Kasi na ate dito, andyan na sila. Hello, hi.
Very good doon, di ba?
Welcome to my guys. Hello vlog. Yan. So breakfast muna kami habang hindi pa nag-start ang mga visitors. Hindi pa sila nagsisidatingan. Maya-maya, kumpul lang sila dito. Tapos may bisan na naman kami for interview. Attending their questions and inquiries. Providing leaflet and brochure. And of course, our giveaways. Ayan sila. Ayan. So this is the SFMA Expo 2024 held here in Fairmont Hotel, Riyadh. Assalamualaikum.
No, there's only two.